right now in downtown Toronto, feeling like -14. Good. It's Canada versus the U.S. for all the glory tonight. The finals of the Four Nations tournament from Boston will have a pre.
Hello mga abe, Go Canada Go! Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Kuya JDL, and welcome po sa ating channel. At bago po ako makipagkwentuhan sa inyo, nais ko po muna kayong aniyahan na if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, Kuya JDL, and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa mga bidyong ina-upload natin. So, kung bakit ako naka-Canada Cup, no, na Hockey Canada Cup, dahil meron na tinatawag na Four Nations face-off ngayong gabi na to between Team Canada and Team USA. At ito po yung mangyayari sa Boston, sa TD Garden, Boston. Yun po yung home court ng Boston Bruins, team ng sa National Hockey League ng Boston. Pero bakit natin i-content ngayon dito sa ating content na Toronto Life at Buhay Canada? Kasi mga abe, kapag tayo ay namili o pumili na o pinili natin na ang Canada ang ating magiging pangalawang tahanan bukod sa Pilipinas, and magmamigrate dito at maninirahan dito at mamumuhay dito, dapat po ay embrace din natin yung kanilang pinaka-paboritong sports pagdating sa winter. Yan ay walang iba kundi ang hockey. Especially kung ang city na na inyong tinitirhan ay may hockey team kagaya ng Toronto, Ottawa, Montreal, at Winnipeg, at Calgary, Edmonton, and Vancouver. No, before may alam ko meron pang city, no, na Quebec City. Ngayon nawala na, pero I think gusto pa nila yan. Pero hindi yung pag-uusapan natin, may face-off to mamaya. At yung Four Nations Cup, hindi sila nagkaroon ng All-Star All-Star weekend this season. Hindi natin alam kung bakit kasi ang alam ko, ayon sa chismis, gusto daw uli ng mga professional hockey player na maglaro sa Olympics, no, sa Winter Olympics. Pero kaya ito pinopromote nila. Okay, pero 4 na nations lang ang naglalaro dito. Ang Sweden, ang Finland, at ang Canada, at ang United States, no? At dapat dito kasama yung Russia, kaso alam niyo naman dahil sa digmaan maraming sanction ang Russia, no? Pero dapat kasama diyan yung Russia. Pero anyway, nung nakaraang Sabado, natalo ng Team USA ang Team Canada. At ito yung nangyari sa Quebec, kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. 3-1 ang scores. At ito po ay mainit ang labanan. Dahil namumuo nga yung mapolitika size, no? Mapolitika yung laro na ito. Dahil nyo naman big deal sa mga Canadian ng hockey.
Final, some pre-game thoughts from Canadian head coach John Cooper.
I'm sure there's going to be watch parties, not only all over, in our country, but United States as well, and people in Europe are going to tune into this game, and they should, because it's richly deserved. But it's richly deserved because you're watching two teams with a ton of passion to play this sport, and that's what the sport is.
Canada will make one change.
Of course, papatalo ba naman ng mga kapatid natin sa United States, no? Nagiging controversial ito dahil nga dun sa tariff na gustong ipatong ni Donald Trump at yung mga pahayag niya na 51st states ang Canada, no? So may mga joke nga ngayon na kapag nanalo daw ang Canada ay Canada will be a 51st state of the United States, no? At kapag ang natalo the United States lose to Canada, Canada will not gonna affected with the 25% of tariff. So may mga ganun pagkakataon. So kanina may nakausap ako na isang kakilala natin dito sa may North York na talagang avid fan ng hockey, game ng hockey. Nagko-coach siya ng hockey team, naglalaro siya ng hockey, at kinausap natin siya kung ano yung magiging reaction niya dito sa labanan to mamaya. Okay po, eto po, pakinggan po ninyo. Name, sir?
Andrew.
Alright, so what is your opinion, or what is your forecast for tonight's game? Are you excited?
I'm excited. I'm going to make sure I watch it tonight. Looking forward to hopefully Canada will redeem themselves and come out with a win.
Okay, any predictions, like how many scores and everything like that?
I'm hoping 3-0. That's my thought. That's my thought on it.
All right, so who's your favorite Canadian players playing right now?
It's got to be Marner still, because I'm a Toronto fan. I live in Toronto, and Marner's one of the best I've ever seen. So.
All right. So, sir, last question. Do you think it's not going to be politicalized after this game?
Oh, there's going to be some boos tonight with the tariffs and everything going on. I'm pretty sure it's going to be. Well, the other night was fights all period, so should be more of the same, I think.
All right. I saw hockey bugs there. So, are you going to play some hockey later on?
No, I coach hockey.
All right. Okay, which team is it? You can shout out team.
Oh, it's Markham Stouffville Stars, the females.
All right, sir. Thank you for talking to us, Mr. Andrew.
My pleasure.
Go Canada, go.
Go Canada.
Okay, ayan po ang sound bites ni Mr. Andrew dyan po sa Northbrook Civic Center, yung nakausap natin kanina. And sige po, ito na po muna yung videos natin today. And sana po makover natin yung game mamaya at makapaghingi tayo ng mga reaction bukas kung sino man ang manalo. So may the best team win the cup. At para sa mga kaibigan natin sa US, good luck. And kami naman dito sa Canada, go Canada, go! Best regards, Kuya JDL. Bye-bye!